Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here at Malanda Falls. I'll give you a bit of a look around. We've got a nice table area, some toilets and a nice little swimming spot. Just give you a bit of a look. So check this out. Nice swimming area. Got a nice falls area at the other end. This is just off the main road, as you can see in the background there. That's the main road, the bridge just there. Beautiful spot. As you can see, you get a fair few people here. Let's keep going and find a few more falls today. So you can do a walk here. I do have stinging trees, which you have to wear covered in shoes to do, which you won't be doing today. So welcome back. We've just pulled up at Millaa Falls. Check this out. This is awesome. Just turn you around. Have a go at that. What a magical spot to have a swim. Unreal. Go and have a swim over there, Chad. Huh? Have a swim over there, mate. You're cold?
Yeah, it's a little bit. Like, dip your hand in there. It's freezing.
It's cold a little bit. It looks cold to me. So I think we're at Zilly Falls by the way you pronounce it, but if not, we'll write it up and there's the sign. This one's just a short little walk through. Quite an easy walk. Oh wow, check this one out. Turn these around, look at that. If it wasn't so windy you could put the drone up. Here at the last one at Malanda Falls, I think they pronounce it as. We'll take a photo and the sign and put it in. This is the last one of the 3 on the circuit. So let's go down and have a bit of a walk on this one. So we'll walk down and check this one out. Little picnic tables here. concrete path at the moment. I know there is a few stairs on this one. It's a bit of a steep walk. So just take your time. It's a beautiful little spot as well. Just like the other two. The other two are a lot easier to walk straight into. They're only a 2-minute walk. One of them you can pull up in the car park. Let's go down and check this one out. So we're about halfway down and check out the falls already through the trees. There's lots of little steps as you're going down and back up. Doesn't really do justice looking down, but let's walk looking back up. Oh wow. Nice little riverbed here. Check this out. How's that? Chad's going to go and have a swim by the look of it. Nice spot. Find, Chad?
Yep.
What'd you find, mate?
A tree with things on it.
Look like mushrooms or something, eh?
It looks like big mushrooms, but like big caramel stuff.
Caramel stuff, you reckon?
No, it's actually solid.
Cool. So that's the end of the falls loop out at Millaa, out near the Atherton Tablelands, just west of Cairns. Just walking back up the hill, as you can tell while I'm puffed out. It's a bit of a walk up these stairs though. Stairs just don't seem to stop.